Good day. Temperatures extremely warm, but we are expecting a windy afternoon. We have high wind warnings through the evening for most of western Montana back into central Montana. The wind speeds could be in excess of 50 to 60 miles an hour, even in the less wind-prone areas across western Montana. This will continue through the afternoon, and there is a chance we could see some snow showers trying to mix back in as these temperatures fall later into the day. You see the wind speeds become a little more lax as you go into the afternoon and evening. Now, here's that frontal boundary. It looks like by about mid-morning we should see a blast of moisture trying to move through, mainly in the form of rain, but we may see a quick switch over to snow in some of that heavier moisture as that colder air slices its way back through. Skies should clear by the mid to late afternoon for most of western and southwestern Montana. And you can see the moisture not expected to be much, so we're talking trace amounts for the most part. Forecast calling for a few scattered showers, definitely windy with those wind gusts in excess of 50 to 60 miles an hour in some cases. And you do see the temperatures dropping as you go later into the week, especially Thursday with highs into the 30s. Low 30s at that, and it looks like as you get into the weekend, our temperatures build back into the mid to upper 30s for most of the region.